it's me, and today I'll be doing a full face of first impressions makeup. And I am in a different location. I am actually in my sister's room because I'm too lazy to set up everything in my room to film, and they have like a bigger room and better lighting in here, so I was just like, okay, I'm gonna film in here today. And if I sound dead, I kind of am, because I went to freshman orientation yesterday, and it wasn't for me. I'm a senior, but I went to support an incoming freshman and also to help them around the school, and there was a lot of yelling and stuff and cheering, so I kind of lost my voice a bit. But yeah, I recently bought a bunch of makeup, so today I'm gonna do a full-ish first impressions. Today I'm gonna do a I can't talk. I'm gonna do a somewhat full face of first impressions makeup. So I'm gonna stop talking. Also, I have this big pimple right here. It was a lot worse, but it's a lot better than before. I got it from vacation. So just clip back my hair. So the first product I'm gonna try is the e.l.f. Lock-On and Liner. The Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. That's actually kind of a long name. I got the shade Espresso, and I heard this is really good. This is what it looks like, and it's really satisfying because it's brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna brush out my brows. I'm using Anastasia number 12 brush. I still have product on my brush, and that's actually disgusting. It's so soft. Oh my god. Let me try this. Outline the bottom. Oh my god, that's really soft. I like the shade of it so far. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna outline it. I always look so mad when I do my eyebrows. Like, I make that face. So far I like it. I'm not sure how long it would stay on, but I like the look of it so far, and it's really good with my wallet. So I'm doing my other eyebrow now. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for my brows. Next is I'm really late to the trend or whatever, but I finally got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got the shade Light Neutral, and I'm gonna use it to clean up my brows as well as conceal my face. Oh my god, why does it smell good? Hopefully this is the right shade. So I'm kind of stressed right now because school is in like 3 days. It's just a Tuesday, and I definitely did not finish all my homework. So far, I like this concealer. Okay, so far, I like this concealer. My dumb self forgot to moisturize my face, so I'm just gonna moisturize my face. Next, I'm gonna try out the Maybelline Master Primer. I'm just gonna put it in my trouble spots, like the right here. I don't know the name of it, and my chin. It does look a little smoother. My cheeks look pretty shiny and cute. Okay, the next product I'm gonna try out, I'm actually super excited about, and it's the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. I got the shade Cream Ivory. So was that a puff? Is this a mirror? I hope this is a mirror. ASMR peel. It is a mirror. Okay, that's great. Then comes a mirror, and then you just open this, and then the products are here. You just peel this one off. Or do you? Okay, I got a little bit. Go ahead and try this out. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, my skin looks so pretty. It's so glowy. And it feels moisturizing. Okay, it has SPF, which is great because I want to use more SPF in my routine. Wow. Okay, hold up. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I really like it. Like, first impressions, I love it. I love how it looks on my skin. Highly recommend this if you guys want to try out Cushion Foundation. Next, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my face. My friend Lisa, like, she felt like it was pretty heavy on her face, so I'm just gonna put on a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyes, this pimple right here, on the sides of my nose, and now I'm just gonna use a brush to blend it out. Oh god, it is pretty full coverage actually. So this blended out pretty easily. Also, I put on a little lip balm because it felt a little dry, but I like how it looks on my skin so far. So now I'm gonna use a Coty Airspun loose face powder. I already used this because I'm impatient, and I'm gonna bake a little bit. I'm just gonna bake a little bit under my eyes because it does tend to get pretty oily there when I put makeup. I'm gonna bake on the sides of my nose too. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. And then in the meantime, I'm just gonna bronze my face. I don't have a new bronzer, so I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Okay, I just bronzed up my face a bit, and now I'm just gonna brush away the bake. And I really like how my under eyes look. Now I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush. Actually, I do have a new blush. Hold up. I completely forgot I even had this blush. I have this ColourPop blush in Main Chick, and I haven't used it yet. Make me look like a clown. Ooh, it's pigmented. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but I like how it looks. This is a good blush. And I'm gonna highlight my face. I didn't get a new highlighter, so I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Glow Kits. I'm gonna use the shade I think I'm gonna use a shade Moonstone today. So I'm pretty much done with my base makeup. Now I'm gonna test out this new mascara that I got, and I'm pretty much late to the game, but it is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I didn't want to buy it because it was like $11, but I found this at Costco, like a 3-pack for like $18, and I was like, that's actually a really good price. So I bought it. Things first, obviously I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm pretty light-handed right now, but it looks so pretty. Like, it looks natural, and it's definitely lengthening my lashes. I am also trying out these new lashes I got. They're the Kiss Ever Easy lashes in number 11, and they look so pretty. So I'm definitely not the best at putting on lashes. They look so pretty. And now I'm gonna measure out the lash so I can see how much I need to trim off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glue. I'll go ahead and try to apply my lash now. Okay. And I already messed up. Okay. I might have not trimmed enough off. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other one off camera because I'm terrible at putting lashes on camera. I look kind of stupid right now, but it was pretty easy to apply. And so the last product I have to test out today is the Peri Para Airy Ink Velvet. No, Peri Ink Airy Velvet. There we go. I got it in the shade number 7, My Brown Coral. The container is so cute. Oh, it's not as brown as I thought it would be actually. This is what it looks like. I really like it. It's pretty natural. So this is the finished look. I think I like everything I got actually. I think the item that I really like the most out of today is definitely the cushion foundation. This is how my skin looks up close. My lashes look pretty busted right now, but that's my fault. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my first full face and first impressions, and all my socials will be linked down below if you guys want to like follow me and keep up to date to what I'm up to and whatnot. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.